Welcome everyone to the Daily Wonder. I've made it to Las Vegas, Nevada for New Year's Eve. It is something I've always wanted to do, so today is December 31st, the last night of 2024, and we're going to be going into 2025 in just a few hours. Here at the Las Vegas Strip, you can see right behind me, it is now completely closed off. It is the only year, or the only day out of the year, where you can actually walk the Las Vegas Strip on the street. It is closed off to cars. There's going to be a ton of fireworks. Casino's going to be blowing out fireworks in the sky, probably about 10 of them, and it's going to be pretty chaotic, but I've always wanted to experience this. I'm going to show you guys what it's like. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so luckily I usually, when I come to the Strip, like to park here at Treasure Island, and they were offering free parking earlier today. Now that was at like 3 o'clock. I secured my spot, my parking spot here, and now I think they're only letting hotel guests, and if you want to get a spot, you can do valet. So if you want to get here, free parking, get it very, very early. I was walking the Strip hours, probably, like I said, around 3 o'clock, and it's now 8:30, 9 o'clock. You can see the Spear right there doing some New Year's Eve display. But yeah, we're going to be seeing some fireworks, hopefully around the Venetian area, try to get a good spot. But yeah, we got a good spot here at Treasure Island. Hopefully they don't tow my car. We'll find out when I get back. If anything, stay tuned for that result. We'll see how it goes. All right, just entered the Treasure Island bridge area to the casino, and that's where I'm gonna make my way through the Strip. The Strip is now closed. They're not letting any vehicles pass through. I don't know if anybody's able to walk on the street yet, but people were walking on the Strip. There was a lot of police, even some military vehicles. Yeah, how serious they are. They actually do have the army out here with their vehicles. It's pretty rad. Haven't seen that on the Strip or anywhere else. So they're partnered up here with the police and the fire, making sure everyone's gonna be safe. People say it might be a little too much, but can't have too much protection, especially when it comes to kids and all here in Las Vegas. All right, they are live. That is awesome. All right, it's currently 7:30 and the Strip is now officially closed. You can now walk on the Strip the one time of the year on New Year's Eve, a few hours before the countdown. Looks really good. Actually feels very weird, but it's awesome to see it like this. Oh yeah, they're rolling deep. There's about, yeah, they got the fire department here too. Clark County Fire in their little golf carts. Closing the Strip again for a little bit. I think they're gonna reopen it maybe in about 40 minutes or so. So it's currently 9:30. The Las Vegas Strip is now closed to vehicles passing and everybody's able to walk through. You can see it's not a whole lot of people, a lot of breathing room. This is really nice to walk through and just see all the sights, and then pretty soon this whole area will be filled up and we'll be seeing a lot of fireworks in the sky. I'm super stoked. I can't wait. Passing over Caesar's Palace right now, you can see the crowds are getting a lot thicker. A lot more people are showing up. It's getting a little more shoulder to shoulder, still not too bad, but I think around maybe 11 is when it's going to be really packed. The expectancy is to be 400 to 500,000 people right now, and a little bit more a little bit later, so quite a few people. Speaking of being a lot of people, there's actually some vendors that are selling all those light up hats and glasses and gloves, and there's also people selling food like hot dog vendors, and there's also guys selling alcohol. So there's a lot of people, there's a lot of opportunity. All right, so the Bellagio fountain is going off right now. That's why this area is really crowded. You can see the water jets shooting up in the fountain. Really cool view. All right, passing by the Flamingo again, and it is a lot more crowded. We're gonna park in front of the Venetian, where they shoot them off from right up top, and then just like right next door, or not right next door, but just down the street, they're gonna have some over at Resorts World, and then also a countdown screen right in front of there. So that's gonna be probably the best option. That's where we're gonna go and watch it from, and then we'll see as much as we can get. Like I said, the fireworks are stretched out throughout the Strip, so it's gonna be impossible to see all of them unless you're like miles away. That was the original plan, but a lot of the hotels are only allowing guests that are staying at the resorts to park there, just like Treasure Island, and it was a lot easier just to park here and find a place at the Strip. So maybe next year I'll do a long distance panorama shot view of the fireworks, but this year I wanted to do it on the Strip and see what it was like. Just check out this experience. I mean, this is pretty epic. There's a lot of people, news reporters are here. I mean, this kind of is like a mini town square. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Welcome to 2025. See you guys soon, guys.